In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your OBS Studio for your live stream on your YouTube channel. It's simple and easy. Follow me in this tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to do everything. So open your YouTube Studio and then you just tap on your add-in like you are trying to upload something. Choose your live and then it's going to take you to this page here. So you need a software that's going to cast your screen to your YouTube live for the other people to see, something like that. That's the procedure. So now let's open our OBS Studio like this. So you can see I already have this. I've been using OBS Studio for some time now. So when you hop on this, just download it like this. Move to your settings here. Good. So on your settings here, you move to your stream because you want to stream. And then you come here, select this. It is YouTube RTMPS. That's the same thing here, RTMP. You get it. And now your server, you know what you're going to do. You don't need to set up all this thing, log in any account. Come here. Copy this. You see, this is the key here. Copy it. So when you copy the key, every channel has its unique key. You come here, you use your stream key here, and then you paste it here. You get it. So after pasting it here, you apply it, and then you press on OK. After that, you're not done yet. You need to create a source. So you come on here, this side of your page, tap on this here to create something new. So let's say scene 3. So okay, for scene 3, you get it. So now I need to get the source for the scene 3. So you can see scene 3 has been selected. Now I come here and then I tap on the source here. So my source will be my display. You get it. My source will be my display, which is my screen. And then I tap on that here. And then I add OK. And then I add OK. Good. So it's done. So now I've selected my display here. So now let me come here. You can see this. I just selected the display, but then I gave it the Roblox. So scene 3, the same display. But so now after that, you tap on this. Start your streaming. So once you tap on this here, once your code has been connected to your OBS Studio and you tap on the streaming, it's going to reflect here on your YouTube. It's going to reflect here. And your screen will start casting itself and you go to live automatically. Also, if you want to record your thing you are doing, so whilst you are casting it live, you can also tap on this to record it. After that, it will be saved on your OBS folder, so you can get that. So if let's say your stream was going very much slow, you can use the recording you use and upload it, and then share it for your people to view it. So that's it on how you set up OBS Studio to live stream on YouTube. It's very much simple and easy. I think I've done every explanation here already. The settings is very much good. So you just copy your code here and then you set a new scene, a source. These two things are very much important. After that, don't forget to start streaming and then make sure you paste your code here. So after pasting that code here, is a one-time thing. Once it's pasted and you apply, that's it. You can always come on here, start streaming, and you're good to go. Come to the stream here and then use the advanced key and you're good to go. Don't log in anything. You don't need to log in your YouTube channel to any place. So that's it. So if you are trying to go live to, you should try to edit this here so you can see, give your live a name and the rest. If you are new to this, I think you're not going to know this. Give it a name and the rest. And if you want to monetize the live too, with the edit, you can turn it on and do everything like that. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Peace.